few years ago, I told myself I would never buy an iPhone. I told myself iPhones were overrated, that the only special thing, the only amazing thing about iPhones is the camera. I told myself this long enough, I believed it, and I promised myself that I would never use my own money to buy an iPhone. This was about 6 to 8 years ago. Today, I'm unboxing the biggest purchase I've ever made in my life. In my 22 years on it, well, 21, I'm going to turn 22 in few days. But then, this has just made me know that many times we make decisions from a place of scarcity. We make decisions from unrefined mindset. We make decisions from a place of ignorance. And looking back now, I know better. Yes, I know better not to be in a haste to make a promise to myself. I mean, that kind of promise to myself. My name is Inioluwa Mobolorunduro, and in few days' time, I will turn 22. I used an iPhone for the first time in my life last year. An iPhone, a used iPhone 11 Pro, and 3 months after I got the iPhone, it was stolen at night class. I went to read and I slept off. I had to get another phone. Then I got a 12 Pro, but that decision would eventually lead me into debt that took some months to recover from. But now, just 1 year later, I'm spending multiples of that money I spent on an iPhone 12 Pro to get a brand new 17 Pro Max non-active. This is insane. And I paid for this once. You know, it's easy to say that this is just a phone. Like, is this not just a phone? Like, why are you making a video? Why are you making a face around it? But for me, this is not just a phone. This is not just a phone. 5 years ago, 16-year-old me would never imagine this. Like, he would never imagine that this was going to be my reality at 22. I was using a phone, a Tecno Spark K7 phone precisely, that had been used for about 4 years by my elder sister. So she passed the phone down to me. This was like about, I think, a 2 gig phone, and the battery of that phone was as good as dead. Interestingly, 2 months after I started designing, the phone crashed. It just died and never came back on. Well, that was not in my end, that was in my mom's hand. But the phone did not fall. Nothing happened to the phone. It just crashed. And that is to tell you how gone the phone was. And that was the phone I started with. That was the phone I started designing with. That was the phone I started the journey that has led up to this point with. That was the phone. It's been an amazing journey, and I'm just so proud of myself. I will turn 22 few days from now, and I'm just so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself, and I'm so grateful to God. This is 17 Pro Max unboxing, and I got some accessories. Yeah, that's my 12 Pro beside my 17 Pro Max, because I still have it and I still use it because I have like a lot of files on it. And this is insane. iPhone 17 Pro Max 1 terabyte. As much as in real life, I'm not making a fuss about it. I'm not like, to me now, it's no longer like a big deal. I mean, it's a big deal, but like, I'm not seeing it like, hey, I just make one heavy purchase or something. I'm not really seeing it like that, but yeah, I think it's still very insane. Anyways, if you are between the ages of 15 and 25, I want to share my secret with you. I want to share the blueprint that has helped me build a life that at 22 I can decide to spend seven figures, actually multiple seven figures, to get this phone in era, actually, in case you're watching this outside Nigeria. So don't I will encourage that you register. It's projectfsve.com. Just go to the website projectfsve.com and go and register. I'll see you in there. Bye.